very long time ago on Sodor, before Thomas and his friends arrived. The first big engine to arrive was called Midland, or his crew used to call him Old Reliable. All the passengers grew very fond of him, even when he started to get old and a bit more out of puff. One morning, promptly on time, Midland backed down onto his train. The fat director was waiting there for him. "Right on time as ever, Midland," said the fat director. "Thank you, sir. Got to keep up the standards." "Quite right too. Though with the increased traffic, I'm investing in a new locomotive. Even with the coffee pots and Neil's brothers, there's too much work for you all to do." "As long as it's an engine that's hard working, he'll fit in fine, sir. His name is Vincent, and he'll be here when you return." "Green from the guard, right away." Midland always enjoyed his short trips down the main line. He thought the Sodor countryside was just wonderful. On his return to the main station, Vincent was waiting. "Good afternoon, you must be Vincent." "Yes, I am. You must be Midland. The fat Sir Topham Hatt to you, young engine." "Oh, I'm very sorry." "Right, come along. I need to show you how to shunt coaches properly." Midland would normally have a rest between the trains, due to him getting old, but he wanted to teach Vincent how to shunt. Midland then coupled up to his afternoon train and pulled out of the station, a little out of puff. "Are you all right, Midland? You're losing pressure." Midland was indeed losing pressure and steam until he finally had no more steam to carry on, and he stopped. "Sir, do we have an engine spare? Midland has run out of steam and he simply can't get going again." "The only engine we've got free is the new tank locomotive Vincent. Send him at once, we can't keep our passengers waiting." "Need a wheel? Oh, do speak properly, you sound like such a Brighton engine." "Oh, sorry." "Never mind, you're young, and young engines always like to prove themselves. So with your keenness and my experience, we shall get these poor passengers to their destination on time." Vincent smiled, as he knew underneath that rather old-fashioned boiler was a very kind old engine. "Yes, let's." Vincent coupled up to Midland, and working together they made their way slowly at first, but gathering speed. "This is marvellous. I'm not used to the countryside, no dirty grimy factories or big cities." "Very true. Enjoy it while it lasts." Wonderfully, both engines had made up the lost time and steamed triumphantly into the station, where the fat director was waiting for them. "Well done!" The fat director couldn't finish what he was going to say, as a crowd of passengers gathered to tell him what a wonderful railway he had. "Well done, you're both very useful engines. Now as you both work together, would you like to run the main line between you?" Midland and Vincent let out whistles of agreement.